Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add an EMA and an SMA on MetaTrader 4. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 4 and let's start with the SMA. So go to Insert, click on it, Indicators, Trend, and click on Moving Average. Now we have here period. You can choose any period you want. So let's say for example 50. We have here method. Make sure you choose simple because SMA stands for simple moving average. We have here the color. It's on white. I will keep it. And always make sure you choose bright colors. Okay. The thickness, I will choose this one and click on OK. So this is our 50 SMA. As you can see. Now let's add the 50 SMA. Go to insert again, indicators, trend, and click on moving average. Keep this one on 50 and change it if you want. But on method, make sure you choose exponential. MA stands for exponential moving average. We have here the color. You can change it to another color. I will choose, for example, yellow. And the thickness, I will keep that one. And click on OK. And that's it. As you can see here, we have the 50 MA. And we have here the 50 SMA. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.